So if you're a landlord in Seoul, did you know you could actually be losing money renting out your spacious 3-bedroom apartment to a single family? But if you could turn the master bedroom into this beautiful studio apartment with ample space, private entrance, and separate utilities, would the return justify the investment? I'm George Johnson, jack of all trades, master of none. And as you've guessed, in this series, I'm going to show you how one investor did it and how it worked out. Now let's jump back in time to the week before construction. Hey, I'm here at my friend's house in Yeongmasan. This is a house that we redid about a year ago now. And this is the nicest apartment in the house. This is a 3-bedroom. Got one behind you, one to your right, and one behind me. You can see the kitchen over there, entryway over here, and so this has just been vacated. And what we're going to do is convert this from a single family 3-bedroom into 2 separate apartments. We're going to make a single room apartment, put a kitchen in there. We already got the bathroom, and then we'll have a 2-bedroom plus this living room area. Most people are not going to be looking for 3 bedrooms. There's a lot of demand for single rooms that are cheap in Seoul, and so that's the reason for doing that. Of course, if you just create a single room and you don't split out the gas and the electric bill, the owner is going to have a hard time managing the tenants because, of course, they're going to complain over it, rightly so, when the other tenant uses more of the utilities. And so you'll be fighting a constant battle. It does cost extra money. You're laying out extra money now. But in the long run, this house is going to go up for sale, and the new investor or the new owner will appreciate that they don't have those headaches to look forward to. And so the house will be a lot easier to sell. So do it now, split out the heat, split out the electric, and we'll be good to go. I'll pop this camera off the tripod and take a quick walk around here and show you what I'm talking about.